my friends. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And before we get started, I just want to go ahead and encourage you, if you haven't already, to put your tennis shoes on or any type of lace-up shoes that you may have, and go ahead and spend just a couple of minutes reading your Bible. And the reason that we are starting off the day like this is because when we're feeling unmotivated, uninspired, maybe a little bit depressed or sad, and we just can't seem to get the motivation to clean our house and get it ready for all these holidays that are coming up, our spirit needs encouragement. And, one way we can get that is through spending some time with the Lord. The next thing that I am doing on this day is I'm exercising, even if it's just for 1 minute. Put on some praise and worship music, and before you know it, you're going to feel better. When you're feeling unmotivated, music is so important. Music can lift your spirits right up and change your whole mood for the day. Now, y'all are going to think this one is a little bit crazy, but I am serious when I say put on some makeup. It doesn't have to be a lot. We don't have to be full glam every single day of our lives, but just put on a little bit, whatever it takes to make you look in the mirror and see yourself and say, oh, I'm looking cute today. That's what you need to do, because we are first going to try to address feeling good about our own self before we can address feeling good about the environment in which we are in. It's time for us to start cleaning. The first thing I want you to do is set a timer for 10 minutes and choose one area in your home that you would like to clean. I normally do start with the dishes, so if you're just stuck where you just have too much to do and you can't choose, I would go ahead and just start with your dishes. But for me, I wanted to steam clean my carpets. I've needed to do this for a really long time, and because my kids were at school, I wanted to do it while they were at school because my children are afraid of the sound of a vacuum cleaner or a carpet cleaner, and so I try to do that while they're at school. One thing I love to do while I'm cleaning that really keeps me more motivated is I like to listen to an audiobook or maybe a really good playlist on YouTube or some really fun upbeat music that I enjoy. But if you guys have Audible, I would highly recommend a book called Sync Reflections by Marla Silly. She is such an awesome lady to inspire you to get your house in order. She used to be a hoarder and had clinical depression. Her story is so inspiring, and she was actually able to form habits that helped her to slowly create a home that she said was a blessing to her family and to herself. And so I highly recommend her book. Another thing that I enjoy when I am feeling like I need some cleaning motivation is I like to listen to, obviously, cleaning videos on YouTube. I feel like I'm cleaning with a friend. Does anybody else feel that way? But it's just motivating when you feel like you're not doing it all by yourself, that somebody out there in this world is cleaning right alongside you. If that is something that motivates you, hi, my name is Ashley, and I love to upload cleaning videos and all types of content that is to inspire you in your home. I'm about to get ready to decorate my house for Christmas. My house is not perfect. We have a lot of clutter. We have real life over here. I have 3 kids. If that sounds like something that you would be interested in, I would love for you to click subscribe, and you can become a part of our community. One thing that Marla Silly, the fly lady, says is that we have to focus on the fact that we are blessing our home as we clean. So we don't have to clean. We're actually blessing our home as we clean. So you are blessing your refrigerator if you clean it out. You're blessing your dishwasher if you unload it. You're blessing your home and the people who live there, even if that's just you, every time that you clean. So what I'm doing here is I am unloading the clean dishes from my dishwasher so that I can reload it with all the dirty dishes that have been building up. I do try to do this every single day because if I don't, it gets out of hand really, really quick. What is that one chore that you just can't stand? Everybody has one. Let us know in the comments. I am cleaning this mirror. I basically use Mrs. Meyer's cleaner for most services in my home. I just really love the smell. It makes my house smell so good. And I feel like that's part of feeling good after your house is clean, is just having it smell clean. What do you guys use in your home to clean? Are you a Mrs. Meyer's person, or do you prefer something else? One other thing that I think is really important, I open my windows up every single day and let the light shine into my home. If you can't get outside and get some sunlight, open up your windows. And, I also think it's good to take little breaks, go outside and shake out your rugs and just get out for just a minute. It's such a mood booster. And just like that, ta-da, it is bedtime, and look at this laundry pile. It has been staring me in the face for far too long. We recently had a stomach bug in our home, so I have an unusual large amount of laundry. I have 3 children and a husband, so obviously we're going to go through a lot of laundry anyway. But this has been stressing me out for far too long, so I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Wouldn't it be nice if we could do our laundry this quickly? Watching this footage back, oh my goodness, it's just like, wow, I wish that I could fold this fast. But in reality, I had on my music, I set my timer for 10-minute increments, and I just was trying to see how much I could get done before the timer went off. I'm so glad to have that done. You guys have no idea how good it feels when that last bit of laundry gets put away. So I'm also going to be just cleaning off this little tray. I use this right behind my sink. I just have my little soap dispenser and my candle and a flower. Well, hello, Millie. I guess she just wanted to say hey to everyone. You will notice I have cats. I have 2 sweet cats, Mildred and Maple. If you enjoy seeing them in these videos, please hit the like button. But also, I just wanted to show you guys, this tray has some pretty bad stains on it. I'm going to be using soft scrub. It's supposed to help with stains, but it really didn't take the stains off 100%. It did look a lot better though. So I'm getting so close to being done, and I'm just gonna sweep this rug. I do have a rug under my dining room table, which, I debated for a long time if I should do that or not, but I do really like it. I think it anchors the space a little bit, and it also catches all the crumbs, and so at nighttime all I have to do is sweep it, and then if it gets too bad I can always use my carpet cleaner as well. But I'm going to clean off this table from our dinner crumbs and just make it look good so it'll be ready for breakfast in the morning if we want to eat here. A lot of times we do eat at the bar though. I love to start the dishwasher right at the end of the day. That way, when I wake up in the morning, I wake up to a completely empty sink and clean dishes. All I have to do is just unload them, and then throughout the day, I can put the dirty dishes straight into the dishwasher. That's what I should have been doing already, but I didn't. But anyway, we're just gonna do better next time. And finally, since we have been sick, I am going to mop my floors with this lavender scented bleach. I just put a little bit of bleach in the water, and I just want all the germs to die. And finally, we are done. There is nothing better than waking up in the morning to a clean kitchen and living room. We do spend most of our time in these areas, so I try to maintain them the best that I can. I do want to encourage you that if your house isn't perfect, God hasn't called you to do more than what you can do in one day. So if you're tired, go to sleep. You can try again tomorrow. The mess will always be there. That's something that I am learning myself. I also just want to show you guys one last look at my fall decor. I am really going to miss this decor. I have really enjoyed it. I went pretty minimal this year, but I really liked it, and I really like the cleanup because I don't have to, drag a whole bunch of boxes out and clean for an hour to get all my fall stuff packed up. And I'm just getting one last look at my fall decor in my living room. I have really loved all of these subtle colors. So here is a sneak peek at what I'm going to be doing with my Christmas decor. I found that really cute towel at the home goods store. It just looks so cute and winter wonderland to me. And then I found these gingerbread houses at Michael's and that little tree at the at-home store. And I just think these are so cute. I am going to use those in my kitchen. So picture those decorations, the kind of neutrals, with more of the red satin ribbons and greenery and that kind of stuff. That's what I'm going to be using for my decor this year. And then I also wanted to share with you what I'm going to be doing in my little girl's room. I found this beautiful pillow at the at-home store. I thought it was so cute. Her room is pink and gold. So just wanted to give you a sneak peek. And I made that blanket. It's the vintage Santa Clauses. I just loved it. I do plan on sharing all the ways that our family tries to focus Christmas on Jesus. We have so many traditions that we've incorporated with our kids that are just really fun, and it helps their hearts and minds to get ready for the true meaning of Christmas. So I will be sharing that with you as well very soon. But I hope you leave here inspired today, and I will see you in the next one.